Hello! Man, I don't think you can beat this. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, today, brand spanking new, just released, oh my goodness, just dropped at my front door, is the new Xbox stereo headset. Now, don't get it twisted. A few months back, Xbox released their Xbox wireless headset. This one, my friends, is that same headset, but in a wired form. At least that's what I believe it to be. Stay tuned for a future video where we're going to compare the two. But as for now, Handsome Nation, let's check out the star of the show. All across the world, say it with me now.
You know what time it is.
Boxy time. So right off the get-go, this bad boy will set you back about $60, which is $40 less than the wireless counterpart. Of course, in front of the box, we got the branding, the beautiful, the lovely Xbox branding right there. Picture the device, of course. We got that Xbox green for that wire right there. Hopefully Xbox was able to do it and give us a braided cable. But of course, we'll find out as we get into the box. On the right side, we got a picture of the right ear cup. On the right side of the box, it says para. Xbox Series X or S, Xbox One, or Windows 10. Included in the box is going to be the stereo headset with a 3.5mm jack. And then on the back, it goes into more details. Immersive sound, lightweight and flexible, and customizable fit.
All right.
Now, let's get inside. Just as usual, an easy pull tab right here. Okay, set it to the side real quick. At the very bottom of the box, you're going to find your product and regulatory guide, as well as a quick start guide, but that's about it. Besides the headset, of course, so let's check it out. Alright, so here's going to be our Xbox stereo headset. Same type of cushion. Of course, on the right side, it's going to have an R. Left side is going to have an L. The microphone still looks the same, you know, as far as the length goes. I know a lot of people are having issues with it because it's kind of short and you really can't see it when it's turned on because there's an LED light at the front letting you know that it's picking up your voice. So, yeah, for me, it's not that big of a deal, but I can definitely see how it could be a big deal for some. Okay, so here's a difference right here. On the left side, you're not going to be able to adjust the game chat and the volume from the game that you're playing and get it tuned just right. It's just kind of, it is what it is. So maybe we can adjust it in the Xbox app, but we'll have to check that out. And then on the right ear cup, that's where you're going to turn up your volume and you'll turn down your volume. And it doesn't click into place, but it does rest nicely with the volume all the way down or the volume all the way up. So in case you don't know, I'm a sucker for these Velcro straps. Yes, I know they're simple, but this one in particular, it's got the branding, got the Xbox branding on it, which is a nice touch. That way you can easily wrap up your cable whenever the headset is not in use. Now, speaking about the cable, I wish it was braided, but you know, maybe it costs a little bit more, I don't know. So it's just a rubberized casing. However, it is Xbox green. And then as far as length goes for the cable, it's probably about 3 to 3.5 feet. Alright, so there you have it. A quick look at the brand new Xbox stereo headset. If you have a question about this headset, or maybe there's something you want me to go over in the follow-up video, let me know down in the comments below. So while you're down there, you might as well like this video, share the content of course, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel to be notified every time I go live or when I post new content. And a quick side note before you leave, if you want to win one of these, I'll put the information in the cards above, as well as in the description down below. Thank you, and have a good one.